waking up in Dollywood. Day 3 of our trip. Let me see the sun. Okay. It's a little like cloudy, overcasty. I think it's still a holiday. It's Monday, President's Day. So let's find some breakfast. Check. Oh, wait. No, let me pull up. Guys, I fell asleep. I forgot to send the QuiltCon email to let all of my audiences know that we're coming to QuiltCon. So yay. Let me go do that now. Hey, Dolly. What's for breakfast, baby? Good morning. Oh, I could have put this on the door. What the shit? Okay, let's go. Good morning, Trevor. All right, so I worked on several different mock-ups. I want to send out like a welcome or are you coming to QuiltCon email to all of my followers, I mean my company followers, just to let them know that we will be at QuiltCon and we would love for you to come and stop by our booth. So you got to kind of, keep everything fresh on people's minds when they're clicking online and checking email. So I worked on this. I'm not sure which one I'm going to go with, but it was fun. I did different backgrounds. I did like a menu setup. I did like a cityscape setup. So I played with it a little bit. I just got to narrow it down to one that I'm going to go with. All right, here is an example of someone that I follow, their blog, and they have already sent out their "Are you going to QuiltCon" email. So I just wanted to share with you guys to kind of see what she wrote. Hopefully you as a digital marketer or anything like that, you can take little tidbits from it and create your own email. Next, let me share with you the official QuiltCon email I got because I'm a registered attendee. And here is kind of like the breakdown. And I'm pretty sure this is standard. They break out every single day. So everything starts on Wednesday. And they give you the details and all that. And all the way to Sunday. So I'm very excited to know ahead of time what's expected, what the time frames are, and so forth. I did find out too that they had a QuiltCon app. So let me go ahead and download that. Okay, so this is the long overdue skin tightening mask that I've been wanting to do for the longest. So I am not going to talk no matter what and try to get rid of that wrinkle going from the side of my nose up towards my eye. It's like getting a crease. So here we go. All right. I did the face mask. What do you guys think? Trying to get rid of those wrinkles, baby. All right, let me do my hair. We're looking good. I think I just took off 10 years. All right, let me head down, check, and see if we're gonna change rooms or keep this room. So, no one's in the pool, guys. Two is the lobby. I love this. Breakfast do look good. If I have but one favorite to ask is YouTube camera. I love that. Pokeberry Lane. Oh, they have a gift shop. Pokeberry Lane store hours. Believe in the miracle. I believe. All right, let me go for checkout first. I'm not sure what the rocks are for, but I am definitely a rock collector.
Do you have your old room keys with you?
I have the key. My son's still in bed. Okay. I wanted to show you guys this picture of her. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I think I'm fangirling. I decided to stop at the little store here and see what they have. And I'm thinking about salad, but I know Trevor probably wants hash browns, so. And the junior mints, of course, I call in my name. Oh, they got chocolate chip cookies. Gluten-free muffins. Banana nut. Oh, here's the menu. Duh. Ice cream, too. Damn it, here's the microwave. Okay, I know where to go now. And you can make your own pizza. Wait, where does this door go to? Wow, what a nice balcony. Holy cow. Oh, it's raining. All right, let me get Trevor up and we come and eat food and... Okay guys, we're staying in the same room. She said she just had to give me new keys because it was 2 separate reservation numbers. So let me get Trevor up, find some food, get comfortable. We're here to stay, baby. All right guys, I sent Trevor downstairs to go to the car. I make him travel with me sometimes so that he faces fears, he get out of his comfort zone, he stopped doing the same stuff he's always used to doing. So he was a little nervous, I'm more nervous, but I have to let go. I have to let him be a man. Even though with his autism, he still has to function in today's world. So it just, anyhow. And I'm sitting here making my list of everything I want to accomplish today. I did my face. I'm gonna put Trevor in the tub and I'm gonna make a list of everything, my goals and everything, my manifestations for QuiltCon. So you guys know that this is the first time I'm here by myself. My boss is not here, my first solo one, and I want to make a big splash, which means I want to make a huge impact. So I'm gonna write down every single day everything I want to accomplish. Like day 1 is the meet and greet and the big dinner. I want to make sure I network as much as possible. Number 2, set up the booth, be helpful, understand how the process works, state to state, store to store, you know, area by area. Yes, I have set up booths, but every place is different and I need to be as versatile if this is what I want to do with my life, and so on and so forth. So let me sit still. That's why I stayed the extra day and get my mind right, get organized. I'm gonna continue to do like more and more facial treatments. That's why I bought most of my products. My hair is done, but hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here. And share real quick. I did write down 7 goals I have for QuiltCon. Number 1, learn more about the quilt vocabulary and be able to speak intelligently about it. Meet someone who has won an award for making a quilt. Exchange info with at least one person. I want to network my butt off. Attend 1 class or 1 lecture. Exercise or yoga, you know, just keep my mind and my body fit. Participate in at least 1 special event, you know, like a tour or a swap meet get together or go live online. And last, I want to write about my Black experience at QuiltCon is number 7. And that's, you know, more in detail, but I wanted to kind of map out a roadmap for me so I have targets and things I can accomplish while I'm there. All right, so let's get ready, take a bath. I also want to wax. Look at that good water, look at that. I'm glad I took an extra day to relax and, you know, take care of myself. All right, I went ahead and found the QuiltCon app on the the app thing on my Apple phone. Downloaded it. It was free, so if you want to do that, but you have to register your information, and then that email they sent me like a code. I typed that in and they found me immediately. So now my profile in the app is updated. If anybody out here want to reach out to me and we connect, I am all set and ready for QuiltCon. Yay! All right, we're ready for dinner. Matching shirts. It's not a wait out here. I know it. Alright, let's go find dinner. So I hope I haven't bored you guys with so much digital marketing stuff, but we bought the pizza back up to the room and we're gonna relax and eat and get up early in the morning and head out. So thank you for coming on day 3 with us. We are going to take off our shoes and I'll pick you up in the morning.
What? Just keep your head up. I told you we'll make it.